All right, everybody, Dutchman Mods and Repairs back. Got a quick video working on a 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and we're going to be replacing the rear wiper blade. It is shot, it's worn out, and if you do this or you get into this, you're not sure what you're doing, you can actually damage something. So we want to avoid that. So let's get into this. First things first, there's a little cap on the end here. Little piece, this guy right here. It's just this piece right in here. What you want to do is you kind of want to pry just a little bit out on both sides. You might need both hands to do it. All right, so you just kind of, if you have two hands, you'd pull out maybe a little bit on this side, on that side, rotate it out, and now you can get the blade tilted up. We got the blade tilted up here. This is the guy we're after. Take this, don't mess with this, leave that alone, okay? And we're gonna rotate that, and it just basically pops out there. And there's that blade just kind of rests inside there. You can kind of see a little bit of that movement area, kind of right underneath where my finger's at. You see how that moves in and out? That's where we're after to get that blade out and the new one in. And what you can see kind of in here is a little channel right down in there. I'm doing this single-handed, but kind of down in there. And once you've popped that loose, okay, so let's go back. We're gonna rotate it out, pop it loose, and then that basically, you can see where it's sliding in there, right kind of where my finger's at. It slides in and out. You're just gonna pull that right on out, just like that. A 12A is gonna go on here, and an admission here, the power of media. There's probably been about 30 minutes that's transpired from the last little section of video, because in my haste many months ago, when this project should have been done, there's another admission and picked up the wrong rear wiper blade. I picked up a 14C, and this is a 12A that goes in here. And because of that, even the stuff inside here, the guts, if you will, that, when you go to put this on, we're all wrong. So I sat there staring at it like a moron, trying to figure out, how do I make this work? So anyways, you get your 12A, it literally just goes in the way you took it out, right? So we're looking for that little piece of plastic kind of right underneath my nail down in there. That's gonna slide down in that channel. Let's see if I can get a better view. Get oriented right, push it down in there, rotate it, snap it in place, okay? One more time. To remove, just rotate it out. See the hole there? That's going to be covered up down in here, so make sure you get it oriented right. Slide it down in there. Just take your hand, kind of grip it, snap it in place there, gently rotate it down, tap over, and you are done. All right, real simple if you buy the right wiper blade to begin with, and fast as well. So some admissions there. Hope this helps you out. It's a quick video. Give it a thumbs up if you don't mind. Subscribe if you haven't, and have a great one. Dutch out.